What's up, everybody? This is Will Frazier coming to you really quickly just to let you know about my new channel that I just started. For those of you that are in credit repair, having a credit repair business, or are about to start a credit repair business, this channel, Will Frazier MBA, is dedicated strictly to giving information to those people in credit repair business space. So if you are in that space, go ahead and check out this new channel and help me build up my subscribers. As you see, I only have 10 right now. So go ahead and start flooding that channel. Look at the videos that I have. I have a few up currently. Go ahead and leave some comments and let me know what type of information you guys are wanting to see. I started this channel so that I could specifically get you guys what you needed, because of course I started my credit repair business almost 7 years ago, and basically I know it's a lot of information that is not out there available, or questions that people may have when first getting started, because I had those same questions, and I want to be able to help you guys to get the answers to those questions and get you on the best path to establishing your business, growing your business, and bringing in money, of course, while being able to help your customers in the best way that you can. So again, go ahead and check out the new channel. Go run over there and check it out. Watch some of those videos that I have up there. Of course, I'll be uploading some new stuff, and I will still be uploading information to this channel, but again, the new channel is specifically for credit repair business owners. Go ahead and check out Will Frazier MBA. I'll see you guys over there.